It's Aliana's first day of school. Lula is here. Yeah.
School day.
And Daddy and Patty is over there.
And the school bus over there.
Hmm.
What's
Oh. Are you excited?
Yeah, I really want to
She's so excited. Okay, Aliana, what's mommy's rule? Don't go to...
Strangers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah, Daddy's wait for you.
Yeah, Daddy is there in front of us.
Dad, kiss it, Ayana.
Yeah.
Are you ready for school day?
Anak, look at me.
What happened? Look at the backpack, guys.
The backpack, guys. Ano,
I
go.
buy a backpack.
Aliana's school here. Aliana's walking. Aliana. Aliana.
What are you doing?
Bye, anak. Bye. Enjoy. You can go inside. Go inside.
And last name? Mirza. Ahmed. Mirza? Mirza. Ahmed Mirza. Danielle? Danielle.
Bye-bye, nak.
Have to go there?
Bye-bye, mommy. Kiss
On
mommy.
the other side, yeah?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Go to teacher. Take care, okay?
How do you say your name, Anaya?
Aliana.
Aliana. Okay, here, honey. That's your name tag for today, okay?
Okay, don't remove, anak, okay? Don't remove, okay? Take picture.
Bye.
Come here. Look at mommy. Okay. Bye. I love you. Bye.
Climb up against the wall, okay?
Liza, Ati's going to school. Oh, you're happy, ah? You're happy. Wala nang ingay, ano? Hi, Aliana. Happy, anak?
Are you okay?
You happy?
School?
Yes. I'm gonna drink water.
Oh, drink water. Okay, drink water. Wow, you're so... She's helpful. According to the teacher, she is helpful today.
Oh.
That's your name tag. That's your name tag. Okay.
Yeah, kunin mo tubig.
Drive your water.
I got the lunchbox.
Okay. You want to help me?
I get it.
Okay.
Already.
She's responsible. She's responsible for everything. Wala na. Mama help you?
No, I can do it.
Da. I can do it, dali. Sara mo, anak.
You can do it.
You miss Bubu, anak?
Yes.
Aw, you miss Bubu. School?
Hmm?
You're happy?
I ride a scooter and bike.
Oh, yeah. So what did you do there?
I go this way and this way. I go to park.
Okay. What you're doing there? What you did?
I brother and Ayana.
You did coloring?
Yes, I did it.
What color? What letter?
I did color markers.
Oh, yeah?
Markers and toys.
Oh, okay.
And have no food toys.
Did you finish your food?
Yeah, I can know no food toys.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. We should buy that.
Mm. So tell guys I'm good in school.
So you go to this school?
You're good? You're so. And finally, your soup is bobo. Ay, hugaw kayo, oh. Ay. Soup pa more. Chocolate man yan, ha. Ipahid niyo sa yung ilong. Sa yung baba. Nag-soup siya, guys. Mimingaw siya, soup. Yan na.
I can go to school, but it's raining.
Yeah, it's raining. Walk. Yeah. He's going to school. Yeah. So when we across here, we need to hold Mama, right? Ayan na. Look at me. Okay, good. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.